Here at Lloyd Land Rover Kelso, we are pleased to present this Defender 2-litre D240 First Edition 110, finished in Gondwana stone metallic exterior paint, with 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. The standout features on this car include black exterior pack, matrix LED headlights, power folding heated door mirrors, keyless entry, sliding panoramic roof, privacy glass, and below the bumper we can see the rear mud flaps. As we look behind the rear door now, we can see the 2040 rear folding seats. As we enter into the rear of the cabin now, we can see the sliding panoramic roof from the inside, and the ebony grained leather and robust tech seats, which come with ISOFIX child seat mounts, and the second row climate vents and USB sockets. Entering into the front of the cabin, we can see the Meridian sound system badge on the door card, and the heated front seats. As we turn now to the multifunction steering wheel, we can see the cruise control with the heated steering wheel button, the interactive driver display with satellite navigation, and the hands-free mobile controls. On the touch display we have DAB radio, 3D surround camera display, and on the centre console, the 2-zone climate control, ride-height buttons, and USB sockets. For more information on this vehicle, please get in touch with our sales team on the contact details provided.